Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well. In this situation, we have to stay at home. Welcome to my online class. Today, I discuss with you Chapter 6 Food for Good Health. In grade 4, we learned that a balanced diet provides essential nutrients that you need to stay healthy. However, the demand of food and nutrition varies according to the age and work of a person. So we should know how much nutrients we need for our body and which food we should eat to stay healthy. We may become sick if we do not eat different kinds of food in proper amounts. What kind of food should we eat to keep our body healthy? We have to eat balanced diet. The balanced diet is prepared by mixing various types of food. What is balanced diet? The diet that contains all kinds of food elements in right proportion according to the age and work of a person is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet has two steps. Importance of balanced diet, amount of food we need. Firstly, I discuss with you importance of balanced diet. We eat different foods. These come from different sources. Beef, chicken, fish, and egg are foods from food from animals. Ghee, butter, and milk also come from animals. We eat rice, potato, bread, and vegetables as food. These foods come from plants. We also get fruits such as jackfruit, mango, apple, berry, banana, and orange from plants. Our body needs proper nutrition to remain healthy. Nutrition. We know that what is nutrition? Protein, carbohydrate, and fat are the major food nutrients. Vitamins and minerals are minor nutrients. These elements are absorbed in the body from food. Without proper nutrition, our body becomes more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and poor performance. Lack of vitamins may cause different types of disease such as night blindness, mouth ulcer, rickets, scurvy, and beriberi. Children suffering from malnutrition run the risk of growth and development problems. Lack of protein also can cause growth failure or loss of muscle. Eating too much food may cause overweight issues. Now I discuss with you amount of food we need. Eating a balanced diet means that we choose the proper amount of food from each of the food groups. There are carbohydrate, protein, fat, water, vitamin, and minerals. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are richly contained in the grain groups. Carbohydrate provides energy for doing work. Protein. Protein builds up our body. Protein is needed to build, repair, and maintain muscle and blood. Fat. Fat provides energy and keep our bodies warm. Fat also makes our body. Fat is mainly contained in dairy products such as ghee, butter, curds, etc. Fat is also contained in oil which comes from plants such as soybean, mustard, and coconut. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help our body to work properly and stay healthy. Vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. Water. Water is not nutrient, but adequate safe water is needed for digestion and absorption of foods in our body. 6 food groups. Now I discuss with you 6 food groups and its nutrients. All the food belongs to 6 food groups. We should eat proper amount of food from such is of these food groups. We can get all nutrients from variety of foods in each of these food groups. We know that a child and adult person food amount is not equal. Food groups, main nutrients, grain and potato, main nutrients carbohydrate. We get from rice, wheat, corn, etc. Vegetables, main nutrients, vitamin, mineral. We get from carrot, onion, pumpkin. Fruits, main nutrients, vitamin, mineral. We get from mango, apple, berries, etc. Meats, fishes, and pulses. Main nutrients, protein. We get from chicken, fish, eggs, nuts, etc. Milk and dairy products, main nutrients, calcium, vitamin. Foods, milk, cheese, yogurts, etc. Oil and fat, main nutrients, fat. Ghee, butter, soybean, oil, etc. What do you think, my dear students? I know you think about your diet chart. Is your diet a balanced diet? You can give this answer easily. Comparing the table which is given in your textbook, page number 42. See if how your diet is balanced. So, my dear students, what we have learned in this lesson? What is balanced diet? Importance of balanced diet? How can we choose a balanced diet? How can we get a balanced diet? My dear students, I hope you will give this answer. Please read the lesson properly and learn these questions. No more today. Next class, I will discuss with you about food preservation. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.